How are you today, Jack?
I'm good.
Yes, nice to see you again. Where are your classmates? Where are they? Oh my God. Wait, I will reply to Miss Touch. Wait. Oh, what happened, Jack? Are you feeling unwell? Oh, you're sick.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Johnny. Good evening.
Hello.
Nice to see you again, Johnny. Oh, Jack is sick. I don't know what happened to Jack. Jack, maybe you try to drink a hot lemon water so you will feel better. Try
It's the sticker.
sticker? What
Yes.
sticker? What is the use of sticker, Mike? Oh, where is Angel? Angel. Oh, Angel's not here yet. Jack, try to drink hot lemon water.
I
Yes.
am sick.
Yes, you will feel better if you drink a hot lemon water.
And you're sleeping.
Yes, but how about Johnny? How are you today?
Happy.
Happy. Do you have school today?
Yeah.
Do you have school? Did you have already finished dinner? Jack, Johnny, Mike?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, Mike. Nice to see you again, Mike. Oh, what are you holding? What is that? Oh, it's for girls.
It's a spider and a spider on it.
Wow, so cute. Is that from your sisters?
Yeah.
Wow. Look, I have a food. My mother-in-law gave to me. I don't know what's this. I haven't opened it yet because I have taken a nap. Wow. I have a yummy, delicious sticky rice. Yes, sticky rice. Oh, I love this. Sticky rice. I will eat it later, one of my favorite. Do you like? Yes, sticky rice is, what is it called?
Let's eat drink milk. Or in Vietnamese is soy.
Soy. Okay, I will biko in English. This is sticky rice cake. Yes, this is a cake. Sticky rice cake. This is one of the dessert. Oh, one of my favorite dessert.
I love my grandmother.
Okay, wait. Miss Touch calling me. Okay, excuse me, class. Excuse me.
What?
Hello, ma'am. Miss, good
Hello,
evening. Hello,
hello,
hello.
Miss. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Please send the link and the ID and the passcode in the group chat for student because you just send the passcode and the ID and then student cannot join because they don't have the parents there.
Ah, okay.
What is
I have sent it already and pinned it just
it?
Uh,
now.
but but it's not a link. I
Mama.
I need the
Oh,
link.
Okay, I will send the link again.
Okay,
Sorry
but next
about
time,
that.
yeah, is this fixed for this month?
This is the new
Mom.
new account.
Yeah, the new for this one, for this month. So please help me grab all information, the link and the passcode and the ID in one text and then pin it.
Okay,
Okay, okay.
understand. Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
miss. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm sorry about the call. I because there's a problem with the link. I will send it again. Okay.
Okay. Now I
Where is the wait class and
No.
wait. I have something to do. Wait,
Hey.
my meeting. Where is it? My meeting and how to do this? I don't know how to do this. Oh, the passcode is not correct. That's the parent said. That's why I will. I don't know what is the passcode is.
No,
Maybe Angel can't enter. That's why. How can I do this? Show. Okay. Meeting ID.
Chị sẽ tặng cái này cho bạn chị phải không? Không, chị làm chưa.
Mhm. She can't enter the room. I don't know what to do. How to see this? I don't know how to see this. Okay, wait, class. I have something to do. Maybe Angel can't enter.
Hello, miss.
Okay,
Can you
this.
copy the link for me because Angel cannot join?
Okay. I see the link, miss, but I don't know how to search the passcode. Yes, I see the link. Meeting ID. I'm
No,
not.
you send the ID, not the link.
Okay, I have the meeting ID. Yes, meeting ID only.
No, not okay. They need the link, miss.
Yes, the meet.
You see, parents said that kids cannot join by number because they don't know the number. Like
Okay.
they're small and they just join by the link.
Okay. How to? I'm now doing this, miss. How to invite?
What?
This is my new account. I'm not familiar. I'm sorry.
What?
Is this? Yes, here. Meeting ID. Meeting.
Chị đừng có may mình nha, anh xin chị ơi. Okay.
Mhm.
Thầy khổ là ai?
Okay, wait, class.
Đâu thế à? Là ai?
Let's wait for Angel. Angel can't enter yet. I'm doing the...
Em chưa của em chưa thầy. We read the essays. Don't read the
She can't enter. I need to send her the link. She needs the link. Okay, again. Okay, here. How to the link, and how about the password? I don't know what happened here. The link, she needs the link. Is this okay? Copy link invitation, students are waiting. Okay, Angel can't enter. That's why. Let's wait for Angel, class, because her parents is not around.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mike. Wait, wait. I'm now
Why?
waiting.
What's
Is
the
that okay?
problem? What's
Oh.
the problem?
Angel can't enter the class because my new Zoom account and her parents is not around. That's why I guide her. I send the link. The parents also request to send the link. Okay, now let's start to our lesson. Maybe it's not okay. She can enter now. Okay, class, let's start. Are you ready, Jack? Are you ready, Johnny? Are you ready, Mike?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's have practice reading. Yes, we have exam, reading exam. Now let's have part 1. Part 1. Oh, Angel can't enter, still can't enter. I don't know how to invite.
Eat a lemon. Yes.
There is a lemon.
Yes.
Yes. And next example, Jack. This is this one. This is
Lemon. No.
this is an elephant.
No.
Why? What is this?
This is a hippo.
A hippo. How about you, Jack? What do you see? What animal is this?
Hippo.
Jack, I can't see you. It's a hippo.
Oh.
Okay, next question number 1. Where is Mike? Mike. Mike.
But I go out.
Mike. Oh, there you are, Mike. Nice to see you again. Question number 1. Please read aloud. You choose invite. Okay, wait. Wait, class, wait. I have a task. Wait, class. Okay. I have a task. I'm not sure how to do this. Invite. How can I see this? Zoom. Zoom account. Mhm. Meetings. I have meetings. Hmm.
No.
I don't know how to choose here. Oh my God.
I like
Wait.
red berry. Skippity dop 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 skippity dop. Skippity dop dop dop.
Okay, wait, class. I need the details. Okay, invitation. Okay, here. Invitation. Here. Okay. Now I have the invitation. Mhm. This one. 7. Okay, I see now.
That is angel.
Okay, here.
Đang làm gì?
Em muốn mang nồi ném lên trong mũi mang già đi em về chơi. Mang đến con tới quý em sống em vui trong tình em nó mong nó cũng khóc em buồn em đôi đơm đơm chay là bên cạnh em được muốn được con
Hello, Angel. Hello, Angel. You're now here. Hello, Angel. Okay, you're now here. Let's start with our lesson. Okay, now let's start. Angel. Okay, let's have question number 1. Question number 1, Mike. Please read aloud.
It is a lemon. Yes. Yes.
No, that is the example. This is number 1. Here.
It is a shoe. Question 1. It is a shoe. No.
So what's this?
Crocs. It's a shirt.
A shirt. Yes, it's a shirt. Next. Number 2. Who wants to answer? Johnny. Number 2. Number 3, Jack. Number 4, Angel.
This is an armchair. Yes.
Armchair? Yes, it's an armchair. Number 3,
The bathroom.
Jack. Number 3.
It is a feet. No. It's a bathroom. No.
Is this a bathroom? What is
No.
this?
Bedroom.
What is this, Jack?
Bedroom.
It's a bedroom. Okay, very good. Angel, please answer number 4.
This is a lamp. Yes.
Yes, this is a lamp. Very good. Correct. Okay, number 5. Mike, please answer number 5.
Number 5.
Yes.
Number 5 is angel.
Number 5.
Em là bố Number 5.
Here, number 5. Here.
It is a fish. No, it isn't. It is a frog.
Yes, it's a frog. Good job, class. Now we are done with question and answer. Now look and read. Write yes or no. Let's have the example. Please read aloud the examples, Angel.
The girl is riding a bike. Yes.
Oh, this is, where is the girl? Where is the girl, Angel?
Girl on the street.
Okay, yes. Next, there are,
Girl is ride my bike.
Next example, Angel.
There are some flowers in the tree.
Yes, there are some flowers in the tree.
Ooh,
Where is the
what?
tree? Here. No, the answer is
No.
no. Now let's proceed to
Yes.
question and answer. Okay, please look at carefully the picture, class. Yes. And please answer number 1. Let's start with Mike. Oh, wait. Sorry. Let's start with Jack. Jack. Oh, you're so sick, Jack. You need to take a rest, Jack. Okay, number 1, Jack. Please read aloud.
Two rabbits are eating ice cream. Yes. Here.
Where? Where is the 2 rabbits?
Two rabbits eating ice cream.
It's yes. Yes, there is the 2 rabbits. Correct. Next, number 2. Number 2, Johnny.
The crocodile is sleeping under the tree. Yeah.
Oh, yes. Where is the crocodile? Where is the crocodile, Johnny?
Under the tree.
Under the tree. Here. Wow. Okay. The answer is yes. Next. Mike. The woman has got
Green a cap.
Green hat. Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Oh. Why? Why no, Mike?
Because I don't see anything in the picture.
You don't see any green hat. Okay. Correct. Number 4, Angel.
There are 5 monkeys in the water.
Yes. How many monkeys do you see?
3.
How many monkeys do you see?
3. 4.
Angel.
5 monkeys.
Okay, let's wait to Angel.
3.
3 monkeys. The answer is yes or no?
No.
No, only 3 monkeys. Very good. I will answer this, class. Who wants to answer this? Who wants to answer number 5?
The boy.
Okay, Johnny.
With toy boat.
Okay, the boys are playing with toy boats. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, how many boys do you see?
2 boys.
2 boys. Okay, how many toy boats?
2 toy boats.
Yes, and the answer is?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job, class. Good job. Very good, Johnny. Now let's proceed to part 3. Look at the picture and look at the letters. Write the words. Write the words like this example. Mike, the example.
Right. It's a book.
This one is
No. A desk.
a desk.
B-O-O-K. B-O-O-K.
Number 1 is
B-O-O-K. It's a book.
it's a book. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Number 2, Angel. Please answer number 2. Number 3, Jack. And number 4, Johnny. Angel, what is number 2?
Ruler.
It's a ruler.
Yeah.
Let's check. Very good. Number 3? It's like, it's difficult. What is this number 3, Johnny? Oh, who is number 3? Am I correct, Johnny or Jack?
Jack.
Oh, Jack. Please answer
Jack,
number 3, Jack.
Number 3. School. School.
School. Okay, correct. School. Good job. Now, number 4. Number 4. It's a teacher, Johnny. Correct. And number 5, Angel.
Computer.
It's a computer. Wow, that's so easy. Our lesson for tonight is so easy. Okay, next. Let's have part 4. Our part 4 is read the story, look at the pictures, and 2 examples. Write 1 word answers. Okay, it means 1 word here.
I am beautiful animal.
Choose your answers from here. Now, let's have number 1. Number 1 is, where is number 1? I can't see. Number 1. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, let's start number 1. What's number 1? Okay, Jack. Okay.
Oh, what? Number 2.
I am a beautiful animal. I live next to a family with a big house and a garden with flowers in it. I have a long what? I have a long
eye.
Jack, what's the answer? I have a long
hair. Long hair. Long hair. A long face.
long face. Okay, let's check your answer. Long face. Very good. Number 2. Number 2, please answer. Mike. I have a long face and ears. Okay. Number 2, Mike.
My body and can run and jump with four
my legs. 4 legs. Correct.
I like.
Okay, now next. Okay, that's enough.
Like,
Angel.
I am 4.
Angel, number 3.
I like hair.
Number 3.
I like carrot.
Are you sure?
No, it children. I like children.
Angel, I like. Okay, let's check your answer. I like children. And the last is Johnny. I give them
I give them
a ride.
They give me a carrot.
Very good.
I am.
And I am a horse. Yes, that is the last part. Very good. Now, oh, so easy. We are done with this section. Now, let's proceed to the next part. Part 5. Look at the picture and read the question. Write the one-word answer. Okay, example. Please read the example, Angel.
What back I
Angel, what is he?
eat on and eat on
Okay, Angel, where are you?
What?
Okay, example, what is he eating?
Eating banana. Eating carrot.
An egg. Okay, next, Mike. How many apples are there?
Apple. I don't see the apple.
How many apples do you see in the picture, Mike?
I thấy that.
Can you see the picture, Mike?
No.
You can see the picture, Angel?
No.
Okay, I will try to reshare so you can see the picture.
Teacher, I don't see the apple.
Okay, can you see now? Can you see now, class?
No. No.
Until now, not yet. Okay, I will try to reshare. This one. Can you see now?
No.
Still, you can't see. Oh, I have paused the sharing. Sorry. My fault. Is that okay? Can you see now? Is that okay, Angel?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will ask a question, Mike. The next example. Mike. Why are you angry, Mike? Okay, please read aloud, Mike.
What is he eating? He eating egg.
Next.
How many apples are there? It's three. Question one. What?
3 apples. Okay.
It's
Okay,
a
okay.
water.
Now, let's have question number 1. Jack. Jack. Are you still here, Jack?
What?
Number 1. What drink has he got? Some water. Okay, let's check.
Water.
Oh my God, it's milk. I think also it's a water. It's milk. Okay, no problem. Next. Question.
Go out.
Okay, Mike, go. You can go out.
What
Next.
color apple?
Johnny.
What color is the apple? It's red.
It's red. Yes. And Angel, number 3.
Where is he going? He's walking to
Yes. He is going to.
going to school. Going to house.
Okay. School. Correct. Next, number 4. Where is Mike? Mike. You get. Okay. Please answer number 4, Mike. Number 4. Where are you, Mike? Oh, what happened? Okay.
Sleeping.
Shh, shh. Okay, Mike. Where are you, Mike?
My
Mike is sleeping. Oh, there is Mike. He's now running. Oh my God. Close the door, Mike. Okay, very good. Now, number 4. Please answer number 4.
who is he giving a apple to?
Okay, wait for Mike. Number 4, Mike. Please answer number 4.
Who is giving the apple?
Mm-hmm.
Is he giving an apple to the girl?
Yes. What do you think, Mike? Who is the girl? Who is the girl?
Here.
What is relationship with the girl?
Friends. What
What the boy relationship to the girl?
is an apple?
What's the
A sign.
okay? What's that? It's a girlfriend. Okay, next. Number 5. What's to answer number 5, class?
Where are the sitting?
Yes, where are they sitting?
Is sitting sitting on the wall.
On the wall? Is this a wall, Angel? Is this a wall?
Yeah.
How about Jack? Do you think, is this a wall, Jack? Mike, what do you think? Is this a wall?
No.
What's this?
I don't
Mike,
know.
how about you, Angel? What do you think? Is this a wall?
In the wall.
This is a wall, Angel? Jack? Okay, let's check. Yes, it's a wall. Very good. Oh my God. No. Oh, Angel is smiling. Why are you happy, Angel? Oh my God. Angel.
Pelagam.
Angel. Why are you happy?
Pelagam.
And
No.
Mike. Oh, Jack is so sad.
Pelagam.
Oh.
No.
Okay, class, be quiet. Jack is not feeling well, okay? Jack get angry to us because Jack's not feeling well. Okay, now let's play a game. This is the one if you're waiting for. Let's have a game. Your favorite. What is your favorite, Angel? What is your favorite, Angel?
Pelagam.
Two picks, one word, or dancing? Yes. Who is team 1 tonight and who is team 2? Yes.
I'm team 2.
Team
And
2.
And Johnny is team 2 with me.
Who is your team? Mike?
Johnny.
Johnny. Okay. Angel and Jack is team 1. Okay, team 1. Choose your number, Angel and Jack.
Team 1 what?
Team 1, Angel and Jack. Team 2. Oh, you don't see? I'm sorry. I just muted again. Maybe it's automatically okay. Here, can
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Yes, that's the sound.
Dinosaur.
That's the sound when he was
Watch the
transforming.
video.
Minions, ba 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 banana,
Ba,
ba 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 banana. Yes, that is the minion. I can hear you, Angel. Oh, okay. Team
Number
1 is
10.
number 10, Angel and Jack. Now, oh,
Butterfly.
what is this, Angel?
Butterfly.
Okay, correct. Yes, team 2. Go, team 2.
One.
Okay,
One.
1. Oh, what's this?
Boy. It is a cowboy.
It's a
Cowboy.
cowboy. Okay, correct.
Chiboy.
Okay, next. Number
Number
7. What's this?
Pineapple.
No coaching.
Pineapple.
The pineapple. Okay, very good. Team 2. Team 2.
Tree.
Tree. Where?
Tree.
Okay, wait. I will send our picture so they know that we are having a lesson tonight. Okay. Number 3, is that your final? Number 3. Okay, what is this?
Football.
Ah, Angel, what's this, Angel?
Football.
Football. Or foot blue? Yes, the football. Very good. Okay, next. Number 9. Okay. Oh, it's difficult. You're so serious now. You're so serious.
House.
Yes.
Lighthouse.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes, correct. It's a lighthouse. Next. Next, Angel, Johnny. 11.
Teacher. But if so, why is you
Oh, yes, they answer it. Team 2 is
What is team 1? Toothbrush.
Team 2 is Mike and Johnny. Okay? What is toothbrush? Correct. Okay. Angel and Jack.
Number 6.
Number 6. What's this? What's this?
Lemon. Lemon.
What's this?
So easy. Lemon.
What is this, Angel?
So
Oh,
easy.
so easy. What is this?
Yeah. Diamond.
Yes, it's a diamond. It's a ring. And what body part is this?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this? Okay, you can't answer, class. You can't answer, Angel?
Yeah, diamond. Teacher, that is my answer, not team 1. Why?
Who is team 1? Team 1 is
Earrings.
earring. Yes, very good. Team 2.
4. Number 4.
4.
Oh,
Oh,
handbag.
yes, that's handbag. Very good. Team 1. Number 15. Okay.
Basketball. Basketball. Basketball.
Yes, a basketball. Next, team 2.
5. 5.
Number
5.
5. Okay. You win 10 points. Good job, class. You win 10 points. Next, 14.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes. Okay, team 2.
Let me see. It's 2.
Are you sure? 2?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure? Okay. What's this?
Berry. Blueberry.
Mm-hmm. Almost.
What is that?
This is?
Blueberry. No. What is this one?
You don't know what's this?
Yes.
It's straw. It's straw.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Okay,
Strawberry.
correct. Team 1. Last 4. Last 4.
16.
16. Oh my God, you swap points. Okay, team 2.
8.
8.
8. Armchair.
It's a armchair. Okay. Next, last 2. Last 2.
My God. Oh,
Number? Number? 12. Oh my God, swap points again. Take 10 points. You take 10 points from other team. Oh, and the last is team 2. 13. This is your destiny. Are you ready, class?
Yes.
Are you ready, team 2?
Yes. Sunflower.
Sunflower. Good job. Who is the winner? Who is the winner tonight? Team 2. Okay, let's have a picture, class. Picture. Yes, team 2 is the winner. Do you want to play one more time?
No.
No. Do you want to play one more time, Angel?
No.
No? Oh, you don't like anymore. Okay, let's have a reward. Yes. Who will be the top one? Our top one will be our... Wait. I just sent the... who is the winner of this team? Okay. Where is it? We are now here at our team. Groups, team, legends. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes.
Now let's have award. Don't forget, class, your homework. I will check later. But Jack, okay, it's understand. You will send it when you feel better, okay? Angel only sends homework, and maybe and also Johnny sends homework. Yes. Okay, and group doing homework, helping others on task, participating, thank you, persistence in our every challenges and lesson, and, oh, wait, no, not top one, teamwork, yes, and working hard. Our top one will be our only girl, Angel. Top one. Yes, our top one, Angel. A purple bunny. Yes, a purple bunny. Top two. Who is our top two? Top two is Jack. Top two. A parrot. Yes, top two. Good job, Jack. Get well soon, Jack, okay? Top three. Johnny, top three. Yes. Where is the other? Where is the other? Okay, I will bring the other. Wait. Johnny, top three. Here is your toy truck. Yes. And our top four. Top four is Mike. Yes. A fire truck. Yes. It can transform. It can transform. Optimus Prime. Yes, it's a fire truck. Yes. Okay, now maybe we have a 5 minutes left. Okay, we have a 5 minutes left, but we have finished already the class, and maybe you can rest now, Jack. Okay, we will end the lesson early because this is an exam. We finish it early. Thank you for participating for our lesson, and have a good night. Good night, Mike. Good night, Angel. Good night, Johnny. Good night, Jack. Get well soon, Jack. Drink vitamins. Bye. Bye, Mike. Good night.